So you have a TV that doesn't work. You could have if it has a cracked screen, it's probably not worth fixing. But this one, it has a blank screen. I'll be going into details. If you don't have a light there and you have sound, it's probably backlight, which could be fixed. Sometimes you can buy T-con boards that for vertical lines, but the power supply board is a repairable device. If you have no power, absolutely, I would fix it. If it's a problem with the main board, then I would probably get a new TV because main boards are really expensive. Like in this case, the boot sequence wasn't working. Sometimes you can put it into the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and that will reflow it. If that doesn't work, then you would probably have to get a new one. For this TV, it does have power to the main board and the backlights are working. And so there's no display, and this is the thing that gives you the display there, and it doesn't have a cracked screen, so I would have to replace this board to get it going again. But I looked online and it's over $120, and installing it you're going to look at $180, which is the same price for a new TV for this size. This is a 58-inch TV. So in this case, if the cost of the part is more than the TV, or even 80% of the cost, it's probably better to get a new TV. Unless you have some sentimental values for your TV. If it's an older type of TV, they kind of have better components, so I would look in fixing that. But the modern ones, I would probably just look at getting a new one because the qualities are pretty much the same. I did try to reflow this, it didn't work. So the option for this one would be to get a brand new TV. It's Christmas time, so you can get some Black Friday deals there. You can put in the code on the circuit board if you want to order. I use tvparts.ca. If you're in America, you can use shopjimmy.com. But if you're in Canada, you would have to pay for border fees. So I recommend tvparts.ca. So I hope this video helps and getting your TV. You can check my channel. I go into more details on how to fix your different symptoms there, and hopefully you can get your TV back. Sometimes you can use some tape if it's the LCD panel. So that is a quick hack as well. If it has a boot cycle, so you can just go into my channel and click on boot cycle, and there is a really simple fix, and it doesn't cost you any money. So sometimes it's good to fix, sometimes not. So you just have to weigh your options, check out the cost, and then make a decision. But it's always nice to fix, so try to fix it if you can. If not, you can also recycle them. The TVs do go and get recycled. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.